Haiti is one of the most poorest countries in the world. One reason is because they don't have a very honest government. Another reason was because what happened on Tuesday, January 12th, 2010 at 4:53 p.m.
It was the most powerful earthquake in 200 years, and it was a 7.0 on the Richter scale.
The nearest fault is the Enriqueta Plantain Garden Fault. Haiti is also right in between the North American and Caribbean plates.
There was an aftershock that was 6.0 on the Richter scale, then 30 more following that.
220,000 people are estimated dead and 300,000 plus injured. 2 million people ended up homeless.
There were cracks in the streets, and a lot of buildings were split in half and had collapsed.
About 3 million people needed emergency help.
People found that there was diseases growing on from back in the 1700s that were occurring now in Haiti.
Total cost of damage was $14 billion.
The population before the Haiti earthquake was 10,033,000 people. The population now is 9,801,664 people. The population now is less because a lot of the children died, so the future generations didn't have as many people.
Luckily, rescuers came to help the injured survivors after the earthquake.
No one will forget the tragedy that happened on that one Tuesday in 2010.